Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to tear down the Xbox One S. A buddy of mine, so her son spilled a water in here. So we're going to tear it down to see what is damaged and if we can fix this or not. Okay, so first we're going to do is we're going to pop the black panel off back here. So we're going to pop this open. So what I usually use is this piece right here. This piece, I go all around the corners and I pop one by one off. But the main important thing is this one right here. Sometimes these things are hard to pop open, so you're just going to use this. There we go. So once you get that off, see the back panel, we'll put that aside. So our next procedure is to get the green screws out. So they're all right there. So that what we're going to do is, let's try this. If this one fit. Yep. Alright, so this is the big long green screw. That's one. Two. Three. Four. 5 and 6. This is the last one right here. So once you got that, all the green screws done, so right here, just pull these two out. Right there, pull one by one, and then you get through this, just like that. See, that just popped right out. Now set this thing down. There we go. Top panel's out. And you can see right here, the liquid is on top right there. So that one's there. Alright, so our next step is to move the side. You got to move this and this. So let's get started with this one right here. That one's going to need a different. There we go. So we're going to take that one. Alright, so once those screws are out, just push these, just pull this out gently, left and right. There we go. So this is the second piece. Alright, next we're gonna get this one right here. Alright, this one's only 3 screws. Alright, there we go. Just pop right out. That one's right there. And our next step is to pull this top one. As you can see, there are liquid right all over right there. See that? So we're going to open this up. So that's also another top panel. Alright, so next we're going to take the power first. So the powers, there are these 3 screws right here. So you gotta take them out. So that's one. Alright, those 3s are done. And before you take them out, alright, so before you take them out, unplug the powers right here. So I use the negative. This is what I use, but anyone can do as whatever they feel comfortable. So just pry open right there and just pull the power supply out. And right there. Actually, let's just go ahead and take the hard drive out too, since it caught up with the power supplies. So we're going to take the hard drive out. So hard drive are this one right here. There we go. So the hard drive is out, and don't take all the way out because you're gonna have to take these 2 plug out. So pull them gently. There we go. Hard drive is out. Now we can pull this power supply out. There we go. So that's a power supply. And next step is the CD drive. So CD drive processors. So there's 2 more screws back here for the CD drive. Alright, so that is it. Let's go back up here. So CD drive, just pull this one and put this one out. There we go. CD drive is out. And now the next step you need to do is, I'm going to take the flash right here and then there's this pin right here. Pop this pin open. There we go. So that is a piece of the pin right there. And now you can pull this. So let's get this one out. Alright, so let's see if we can get this open. Oh wait, so forgot one thing. More screws. So 4 tiny black screws right here. Now, just to keep in mind, whenever you open up the Xbox, you are voiding out the warranty. So you're doing this at your own risk. All right. Now that are done, then let's try to pull up. See right there, now that one come off. And this shell right here, this bottom panel, this one is, you don't need to take them off, but that's the pan, that's the bottom part. And now this, so I just unplug this one right here. And now next step is to get, alright, so as you can see, that is done. And from what I'm seeing right now, you can see the edge of the motherboard is totally fried right here, and right here. So this is pretty much dead. And here too, liquid go past here all the way to the corners. So if you wanted to take this piece off right here, just pop these 4 pins out and then you get access to it. But right now you can see right here, this liquid go through here, it go through the fan. So pretty much this Xbox is dead. Alright, that is it for the video, and I hope this video helped you guys, and you guys have a good day.